Alright, so this is a return visit. Out on a previous visit, jetting from a clean out in front of the home. Seemed to be a soft blockage from the clean out back towards the home that I did not test properly for. So this is just a quick recall video. We're just going to have a look at the sewer, make sure we are open all the way out to 100 feet. Running plenty of water at this point, filled up the tub, drained it out. There is no blockage at this time. Before this trip is over, I'm going to have a customer run every fixture in the whole home, make sure everything is wide open, just in case. So I made a previous video kind of focusing more on all the kind of blemishes in this line. I'm just kind of pulling back just to get a good full video from the toilet flange. So there's a previous recording with kind of a slowed down shot on all the breaks in this line, and this concrete line that's wearing real thin. It's got a couple spot repairs where it's failed in the past, but the remainder of it is shown its age. Noticeable hub. Liner's looking in good shape. This section makes no sense to me. Why would anyone leave that in? This is where the blockage was previously. Right here, if you can see the roots coming in from the tie-in on the right there of the screen, that root ball had grown into the entire 2-foot section of concrete there and was just completely obstructing the whole sewer. So this is where the clean out is, and this is where we clean from. And back from that, back into concrete, which there's a tie-in there. On the left, looks like. Here's another section that's just looking really washed out there. Again, highly recommend just lining the rest of the sewer just to avoid any further backups. This cast iron inside the home is looking in pretty good condition. A little bit of scaling, nothing too major. Back into, looks like there was a repair done inside the home. So here's cast iron here, back into Schedule 40 PVC, and everything's looking great. So I was kind of expecting to see a root right before the clean out that I had missed on a previous attempt, but this camera inspection just shows me that there was just a really massive soft blockage all the way back up inside the house here. So we just had to run water and a little bit of cabling on inside the house, and that cleared it right up. Okay. Technician Fern.